Hello everybody. Well, I thought we'd be showing you a little bit more snow than what we got here. We've probably got now 3 or 4 inches. It's nighttime. But we are still under a winter storm warning. They extend it till 7 p.m. tomorrow now on Monday. And so it's still snowing outside some. I checked a few minutes ago. So we might have some more tomorrow to show you. But now on out towards Carolina and everything, the other side of the mountain, I reckon from what they're saying, they've got a lot more. And then on up in Virginia, Interstate 81, they said up around Christiansburg and Roanoke, the interstate shut down, so they must be getting it on up there. The little girl there, she was wanting to go out and play in the snow. As she runs by, she likes to growl. Come here. Sorry for the wind noise, folks. We didn't get our other mic and put it on here today.
Don't chew my glove up. Run, little girl. Stop it. You done running? Come on then. Let's go. Shoo. Come on, let's go.
Carolyn still has her cough.
Come on.
Come on, bud. Come on. Come on, Dixie. Let's go. Let's go.
Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. And if you would, if you got snow over the weekend, leave it down in the comments how much you got and a general location where you're at in the country. And we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.